Hello, my YouTube friends. How are you? In today's videos, we will show you a very beautiful wedding ring boxes. These boxes are made a crochet. They are very beautiful. This boxes is made a crochet work. The thread used to make these boxes is silk, cotton and wool, and using pearls, sequins and stones. I hope you like these boxes. You can use these boxes in your wedding parties and engagement. If you want, give them as a gift to someone. You can keep your rings in this box. You can give them to your friends and relatives and your love. This is a great idea for those who do jewelry work and do jewelry business. All my friends can benefit from my videos. You can also make them by watching my video. You can also make them by watching the designs and the style I have shown in this video. My friends who work a crochet and do crochet business, I bring very new idea for them in my videos. My friends get new ideas for my videos. It is a great pleasure for me that I can be useful to my friends. I need your support that I can bring such a good video for you. I try my best to give you lots of unique idea. I'm very thankful to my friends who support me and like my videos. Crochet work is the beautiful work. I like this work very much. So I create a crochet work with you. Friends, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel and support me. Your support is very important for me, and your comments is very important for me. Please give me your comments in comments box. Take care. Bye.